Hello, good morning guys. Good morning. Have a nice day. Ang gusto ni Tatay Mita guys, pabuton daw 1 million followers o million supporters para lang makakwarta ko sa FB or pag vlog. Try lang na ako mga katurjak dari sa social media o challenge ko lang akong kabulingon. Yeah. Thank you sa pag-support and followers, non-followers. By the way, good morning to all. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. God bless all. Bye bye.